Half and half.
Hi, do you guys have the Katsu chicken curry?
No.
You know what that is?
No.
You don't know? Okay, give me the 20-piece nuggets by itself.
Okay.
You guys don't have the chicken Katsu curry? The nuggets? You know what that is?
No, I already don't.
You don't know what it is? Okay, here you go. All right, so no one knows what this chicken Katsu curry is, or what do they call it? Katsu curry chicken nuggets. Let me try one more person here at the line. You guys have the chicken Katsu curry nuggets?
Huh?
You had the Katsu curry nuggets?
No.
You know what that is?
We only have chicken nuggets.
I know, but you don't have one called the Katsu curry nuggets?
No.
No, huh? Okay. All right, back in the studio here. But a little surprise for you. Do you want to do a little unboxing?
Unboxing.
Yes.
Sure. This is a chicken nugget. McNugget.
McNuggets, all right. So we kind of discussed
yeah.
this earlier.
Yes.
Take a look at that.
Yeah, that's I like to.
So these are very different from the one that we're trying to make. These are just regular nuggets. It's got some kind of flour coating on the outside. You're gonna try and make a katsu like they sell in the UK. Katsu curry chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Something we can't buy here in the States, as you guys saw earlier. Hiro-san, can you do it? Is it gonna be difficult?
I try.
Okay. All right, let's go through the ingredients.
We have a chicken meat here. So one is chicken thigh, one is a chicken breast.
And let's talk about this real quick. Years ago, they used to have dark meat. I love the ones in dark meat. I like dark meat and the nuggets way more than one than white meat, but you don't even have a choice now. And too bad for McDonald's. They were so good. Okay, then you have the white meat, and what else here?
Yes. So I'm going to make this one with the seasoning salt and pepper, and then of course the panko here, flour here, and the eggs here, right?
Okay.
And this one, a potato I'm going to make a French fry.
Okay.
And this one is I'm gonna make a curry sauce.
Now, let's go through the ingredients.
Mayonnaise,
Okay.
ketchup, and the honey, garlic powder, and curry powder.
All right.
I'm going to mix everything together to make a curry sauce.
You guys can do this at home very, very easily. All right, so we're going to try to katsu-fry those, and then you're going to make your own nuggets, and we're going to do a comparison.
Okay, first I'm going to start with the chicken breast. So I'm going to chop it up. So kind of slicing very thinner. Then salt and pepper. Next one is dark meat. Okay, and salt, black pepper, okay. Now I'm going to make in the shape for chicken nugget.
Katsu curry nuggets here.
Chicken nugget shape. So
You have one leg above McDonald's. They don't have dark meat. So you're going to enjoy that so much. All right, so these are about like an ounce.
okay, dark meat side. Okay, I'm going to put that up and then keep in the cooler for a little bit. Now I'm going to make sauce. the ketchup. And the mayonnaise. For everything. Garlic powder. And a little bit honey. Then first I'm gonna mix it up. Then next one, I'm gonna start to add the curry powder.
And this is Japanese curry or Indian curry?
This one actually I got from the regular supermarket.
Whatever supermarket. Yeah. So whatever you find. It doesn't matter.
You know, doesn't matter. Yeah, curry powder is fine.
It's curry
yeah.
powder.
Okay, a little bit more.
All right, that curry powder sauce is
Curry
looking
sauce
good. Yeah, looking great. Here.
Done. Okay, so I just taken out from the cooler. Take out the wrapper. Like that. And here, the egg. Just to keep the egg here. Start with the 2 eggs. Okay, first one, I'm gonna go with the white meats. Egg. And panko. Now dark meat.
Well, the Katsu. That could be a new series for you, Hiro. What do you think?
Right. I wanna make this chicken nugget katsu. Also, I wanna make with this one katsu, chicken katsu don.
Chicken katsu don.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. A simple meal you can
I
make
like
at home.
katsu don, you know.
Oh yeah. Looks so good. So much better than just plain nuggets. And then you can try next is Oreo katsudon. What do you think?
Oreo?
Oreo cookie katsudon.
Oreo cookie
Oreo.
katsu don?
You had Oreo cookies before?
Yeah, Oreo cookie I know, but you wanna put katsu don is
Oh yeah, make it katsu.
It's gonna be over rice. It's gonna be over ice cream.
Over ice cream, yeah. Oh, I like that idea, Hiro.
Katsu.
You guys are here for it. Hiro's
Oreo
being so-
katsu on over the
I like
over
that, Hiro.
the ice cream.
I like that idea. You see? That's how these recipes come to be. One thing leads to another, and the next thing you know, we're doing something crazy.
Okay, so like this.
That's a perfect width, yeah?
Like this,
yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Maybe this one,
Yeah.
like that.
And one thing about McDonald's French fries, you know why they taste so good? Does anyone know out there? Or do they use pork fat?
Oh, they use a pork fat.
Well, they add some pork fat in there just to give it some flavor.
Mm.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that. That was a huge story years ago. You guys probably know about it. Those of you who are keeping up with what happens with McDonald's.
Okay, this is okay.
Okay,
Right?
perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna quick rinse.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna start with the white meat, chicken breast side.
And how do you know when it's done? When it floats to the top?
Yeah,
A lot
it's
of times,
coming floating.
Floating, right?
Also, yes.
Okay.
And of course, I'm going to use my toothpick.
Okay.
Yeah, magic toothpick. My magic toothpick.
Ancient Japanese secret.
Yeah. Okay, let's check the. Oh, that's it. So here, And put this one here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's already done. Done. Okay. Now going to dark meat side. It's already done already.
Okay.
This is a dark meat. Now I'm going to fry up the double coating it. This one is going to be quick. Okay.
All right. Could be dangerous, right?
Yeah, it's going to be a little
It'll
bit.
splash a lot. Be
splashing
careful
around.
with this if you guys are doing this at home. Water with haro does not mix.
Yeah. So what you can
Careful.
do, just avoid too much water. You can-
Oh yeah, okay. Pat it
Of
dry a
course, you
little.
can make it dry, of course. You know. This is better. Less water.
Okay.
And then if you put too much in the one shot, oil is gonna be
Gonna all bubble out. Look at this.
bubble up. So just
Be careful.
Be careful. So you have to watch it. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, a little salt. That's it.
We need to call this McHero's. McHero's fast food restaurant.
Hiro-sama.
McHero's. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think? The real deal. Look at this, guys. You have here the chicken nuggets. Came so plain.
Yes.
You have the dark meat chicken here, white meat, chicken breast, and also the homemade fries. This is looking like McDonald's already. Look at that. That looks amazing. Anyway, you guys can do this at home. Try yourself and let us know what you think. If you guys want this, contact your local McDonald's restaurant. They may not know what you're talking about. They're going to think you're crazy because right now, this is only available in the UK. But if enough people ask for it, you never know. They may start selling here. I mean, they sell in the UK here. Why can't they sell in the USA, right?
Right.
You guys step up the game. We want some Katsu curry nuggets. So, all right, thank you so much, Hiro.
Yeah, thank
Have
you.
to try this. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you,
Thank you
Hiro.
very much.
To the best part. Are you ready for this taste test?
Mm.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. So I'm gonna start with the white meat.
Okay, white meat that you made.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with this one. Of course, curry sauce. inside like this.
Let me tell you what, it looks just like McDonald's, where the outside all chopped up, you know?
Mm. Yeah, curry sauce is pretty good.
Mm. That is good.
Mm. Okay, next one is the dark meat.
Mm-hmm. Okay, one of my favorite things at McDonald's is eating the dark meat nuggets. You can't find them anymore.
Mm.
Take a look at that.
I like dark meat. If you compare these two, I still like dark meat.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Coating is so light. Super, super light, delicious. And the inside is really moist. Okay.
And now we're going to double coating.
This is the original Hiro.
Original and then coating with the panko.
This is what you would have in the UK if you were to
Yeah,
order
I've seen
it.
the video of the UK one. Pretty much looks like this.
Looks like this, right?
Yeah,
It's
and
exactly like
the
this.
panko, stay on the meat.
Do you think that the McDonald's, if they didn't sell the nuggets, they actually took it back and the next day they
No, I don't
put a
think
coating
so.
on it?
No, they don't do that.
What do you think?
I don't think so. They just make it right away.
Oh, okay.
Panko is one panko.
Yeah. What's McDonald's? I don't think they do that.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. You can pretty much you cannot tell this one was original nugget and after coating, right?
Mm-hmm.
But meat is kind of more like how they call it?
Firm?
More firm.
Yeah, it's firmer. Let me tell you what, the panko coating really adds really great texture, but I love your curry sauce. You guys got to try this at home. So simple to do. Mm.
Mm. Mm. I like.
Like it?
Mm. But if you compare these three, I like dark meat.
I like the dark meat too. It's probably my favorite. So good, Hiro.
Mm.
And not firm, not so firm like the McDonald's one.
Mm.
Hmm. I'll try French fry. I know it's kind of soggy.
It's a little bit soggy.
This is kind of how McDonald's looks like anyway, the French fries. Hmm. Good, greasy. It's good. If it's greasy French fry, it's good. Whether you have it, guys, something you do at home. If you get tired of waiting for the Katsu curry nuggets from McDonald's, you guys make it at home. Showed you just how to do it. So simple. Key is right here. That curry sauce that Hiro made. You guys give it a shot. Hiro, thank you again.
Hey, thank you very much. See you next time.